Run your tongue across your teeth. They feel completely solid, like smooth pieces of polished stone built into your jaw. But your teeth are not stones, nor are they bones. They are highly complex, living sensory organs. They are engineered out of some of the most spectacular materials in the biological world, the frontline armor of your digestive system. They are built to withstand hundreds of pounds of crushing pressure every single day across a human lifetime. To understand how a tooth functions, we have to look at it from the inside out, splitting it into two main structural territories. The crown is the visible white part sitting above the gum line, and the root anchors the tooth deep into the bone of your jaw. The outermost layer of the crown is protected by a crystalline shield known as enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in the human body, outranking bone, iron, and steel on the scale of mineral hardness. It is composed of roughly 96% pure minerals, primarily calcium phosphate, arranged in tightly packed crystalline rods. Because it is so heavily mineralized, enamel contains no living cells and no blood vessels. This means it has no ability to regenerate. The enamel you are born with is all you will ever have. Once it is eroded or chipped, your body cannot grow it back. Directly beneath this brittle crystalline shield lies the dentin. Dentin forms the massive bulk of the tooth's structure. Unlike enamel, dentin is a living, flexible tissue composed of a matrix of collagen proteins reinforced with mineral crystals. Under a microscope, it reveals millions of tiny channels called dentinal tubules. These tubules run directly from the outside edge of the tooth inward to the core. If your enamel wears thin, hot or cold substances can travel down these tubules, triggering a sharp flash of nerve pain. At the absolute center of this living fortress lies the pulp chamber. This is the heart of the tooth. The pulp is a soft, vulnerable tissue packed with blood vessels, connective tissue, and highly sensitive nerve fibers. Blood vessels pump oxygen and nutrients upward from your jawbone to keep the surrounding dentin alive and healthy, while the nerves continuously monitor the pressure and temperature of your bite. Guarding the roots beneath the gums is a specialized bone-like tissue called cementum, which works in tandem with a microscopic hammock of collagen fibers known as the periodontal ligament. This ligament doesn't hold the tooth rigidly in place. Instead, it acts as a dynamic shock absorber, distributing the weight evenly across your jawbone, preventing the teeth from shattering under pressure.